Hello, hello everyone. How are we doing today? Um, Good morning. It's actually Halloween. I didn't realize that. I mean, I realized it. I should have done something, should have dressed up for Halloween. I didn't. But anyway, it's Halloween. Happy Halloween, everyone. Okay, so let me get back to my screen that you guys are looking at. I had PLTR pulled up from last night. There were callouts for it yesterday. I don't remember what we got into a trade yesterday. Lost like $3 on it though. Um, which wasn't bad. I just didn't feel like getting into it anymore. And it's always a choice when you're trading. Pulling up the Discord so I can check and see what's going on. Because I know they were talking. Ah, eyes are dry. So, possible data incoming. Data already come in. What happened at 8:30? Oklo? I had a call for Oklo at 8:30. Did I say hi, Vix? I read the comment. I hope I said hi. Sorry if I didn't. So let's look at Oklo. There were some earlier callouts, but those were 7:30, so it might not be ooh, this one might be dipping. We might have just caught it just in time for a nice little dip. Um, we're gonna have to watch this one. I haven't put money in on Oklo yet, but everybody else has. They seem to be doing all right with it. But it's timing, you know? Just because the whole group is making money off of a trade doesn't mean you're going to. Okay, so Fed Schmidt dissented against rate cut because of continued momentum in economy, concerns about continued high and potentially spreading inflation, labor market largely in balance, any stress likely due to structural change, and small Fed appointed by, yeah, okay. So, so the data that I've been getting is that everything's kind of leveling out, you know. It's not perfect. We've still got a little bit of prices are still a little high in certain areas, but the eggs where I'm at are cheaper, so I think that is saying something. Vix, you were saying Walmart. Walmart made a public statement. Maybe try to look it up. Okay. Um, I'll cite my source on this. I'll show you what I'm looking at right now. So I was looking into that. So I had heard that Walmart was going to close its stores. I was looking into that because I didn't want to say that if it wasn't true. Here's the page that I am looking at. Give me a second to get it pulled up. Uh, this one, and then my lighting is terrible. Why is it all like that? I don't know. Doesn't matter. I'll fix it later. Just there. Okay. This is the page that I'm looking at right now. It's saying that there's a rumors that Walmart's locking its doors. Um, it says no, they're not. Just no, Walmart is not locking. According to Yahoo News, no, Walmart is not locking their doors, nor any Walmart stores closing their doors on November 1st, 2025, due to any reasons related to the government shutdown, snap cuts, or any alleged rumors of planned theft or loots. A Walmart spokesperson told Snopes this week Walmart will remain open for business on November 1st, 2025. So it's saying that that's not true, and it's saying that it is a rumor that was started by these two um, people. Uh, if they're liars, I don't want to give them coverage, but these two people apparently made it up. So if someone else can find something that does say it differently, let me know, and we'll pull it up. But I'm not seeing on here. I'm not seeing. I couldn't find it anywhere either here either. Where there was any other articles about it. So I don't know. Maybe it's just hot news. People are just talking about it. But that's what I found. So yep. Okay. So looking at Oklo, I'm gonna pull the Discord back up. What time is it? 9:14. Amazon is up. That's gonna call out for that. They apparently just posted huge earnings. Okay, so let me check my market stuff, see what's going on over here. Wow. See, I think biotechnology is neat, but I never do well with the med stocks. Let's see what's up on pharmaceuticals though, because I have a few companies that aren't just regular med stocks, and I don't see them. Nope, don't see them. Okay, so let's see. Freight and logistics. This one's new. CHWR. Oh, hey. That one just jumped 30 bucks ish. Probably a little less than that. That's nice. 89. Let's look at your 5 days. You've been doing things. 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 85. 1 year, 5 years. I want to watch this one. Add to watch list. CHWR. I want to do a little bit of research on this real quick, guys. So it's C.H. Robinson? Is that what I said? Hold it back up. C.H. Robinson Worldwide. It's a logistics company. Reliably meet all of your global logistics and technology needs. Freight, trucks, shipping, air. They also use AI. Well, I've never heard of this company, but they seem to be a pretty well established shipping company. So I'm gonna post them. If anybody, I don't know if anybody in the Discord knows anything about, excuse me, about them, but that could not be how you spell logistics. Looks wrong. Whatever. It says it's right. Okay, so this one's on the watch list. No. Consumer goods and conglomerates. Not very many options. Okay, well, looks like the only person that's having a good day is Fox. At least as far as media and news, media and publishing, sorry. Oh, wait. Uh, Sirius XM, the radio station's having a good day too. They're up 10%. You know what? I'll actually add that to my watch list too, because I've known about that company for a while. They haven't gone under yet, so. Mm, GCI. That's up 27%. That's like the only other thing. GCI, let's take a peek at GCI. Okay, you're running $5. This was the max. Was your whole year. Low is 63 cents. How long did you stay there? Doesn't look like long. How long ago? Mm, okay. A couple years ago. Past 6 months. We did it backwards. Usually we start one day and go up. We did it backwards. Because it was already on the max, so I just kind of went in reverse today. 532 is the high, $2 is the low. 3 months. So 267. Okay. Eh, I don't hate it. We'll watch it. Let's see what time it is. It's 9:22. Well, let's see what everybody else is looking at. MSTR, RDDT, those are both up. Well, let's see what's going on my list. Um, oh, excuse me. Just keep yawning. Aqua metals. They have news. What's going on? 12 industrial stocks moving in Friday's pre-market session. DEFSEC. Technologies. DFSC. Shares moved upwards by 29%. Company's market cap stands at 6 million. SUNE shares rose 11%. Company valuing shares at 0.47 million. OP went up 9%, shares valuing at 8.5 million. FLYX up 9%. Market cap is 74.8 million. STEM up 8% and 142 million market cap as per their press release state a couple days ago. GWAV up 8%. Market cap is 4.1 million. And those are the max gainers, or those are the gainers. So, is Aqua Metal, where does Aqua Metal fall into that? Ah, Aqua Metal's dropped. Okay. Aqua Metal's dropped by 7.33%. Company's market cap stands at 29.2 million. What's NAK doing? Hanging out at 203? I'll probably pick up some more shares of this soon. It's kind of hanging out. As much as I'd like to snag some shares for like 79, 80 cents, I don't think I'm going to get that anytime soon. Okay, we were supposed to be watching Oklo. That's wrong. Yep. Wait for a dip on. Why not? This one. Alrighty, guys. I'm gonna switch over to the other screen real quick. I need to grab some coffee and stuff anyway. And I will be right back. Okay, so Oklo's down to 137. Maybe we'll hop in on some? We'll buy one share. Well, no, we can do two. Do two shares. Sorry, my nose is a little bit stuffy, guys. Might dip a little more. Oops. Mm. Okay, so 136.70. Let's go ahead and put in a bid down there. So we'll have it ready to adjust if we want to. Not might continue to dip. I'm not sure how far though. So we are in the trade. Oh, Miss Ferrari. My kitty is being silly. Hopefully I didn't buy in too early. I saw where Oklo may dip to 133, but was willing to bet that it wouldn't go too much lower before it comes back up. Miss Rory, you are so frustrating. Here. All right. Getting up some movement now. Don't go too close. Okay. Yes. I might get stopped out, guys. Got stopped out. It's okay though. We made green. Yay, green. Okay, so I think I might make it a rule after I get in a bid and the stock pops, let it cool off first before I go back in. So let's make that a rule. Strength that this one might be good to go back in on. But I'm gonna wait because this is only my second time trading in this stock and I don't know it as well as some of the others. I tend to have better luck when I pay a little more attention. Hey Trader Z, out PLTR scalp, stop lost out fat green. Oh, okay. Green trade vid feels good. Yeah, it does. Sounds like a good rule. Mitigates the FOMO and greed. Yeah. You see, and it's starting to taper out. I'm gonna switch over to the other because I'm pointing at the screen and stuff, and you guys can't see it. But anyway, so yeah, it's starting to dip down. Just think it would be better to wait. It is going back up, but I have a feeling it'll dip back down to around the 136 area, and I can scalp it again. So we did two. How many would five cost us? Okay, we can do that. So if we're gonna go five though, we gotta wait for it to hit like 136.50. Oh, did I get it at 53 last? No, I raised my thing up. I'm in no clo real fat. Nice. I put my stop loss a little tight and sold out, but it's alright, because I made green. Just waiting for it to do what it's gonna do here, and then I'll re-enter on the dip. Waiting for everybody else to make their money off of it. Making a fresh batch of boiled peanuts. Green, Daddy, would you like some sausage? Daddy, would you like some sausage? 140, 41. So it'll probably hit 141 at least. Don't you like boiled peanuts? I think I've only had them once. And I don't know if they were good boiled peanuts or if they weren't good boiled peanuts. I remember thinking they were different. I didn't hate them. They didn't have any flavor at all, though. I detest boiled peanuts. Shawty loves them. That's funny. Like I said, I've only had them like once or twice. Well, no, just the once actually. I've only had them once. They don't make them around here. I mean, you can get them, but like I think most of them are canned, and I don't know of anybody that does it like fresh ones. Where do peanuts grow? I'd never thought about that. What kind of temperatures do they prefer? It has nothing to do with stocks, guys. Warm climates and sand. Hmm. Okay, that makes sense. So they're a delicate plant. Never tried to grow peanuts, but I could probably get them to grow here. Not outside though. They'd die. It's too cold. To minimize that. All right, go ahead and pop off here and then dip back down for me so I can get back in. In the south. JK on the testing the boiled peanuts. Most are grown in Virginia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and Florida. North Carolina, Georgia, and Florida. Okay, yeah. And it makes sense it's a southern thing. I wasn't sure if it was like if they grew up north and it just wasn't something that people did was boil them or what. But it makes sense when something grows it locally in an area, they find all sorts of interesting ways to cook it. Okay, here we go. You gonna dip for me? It's not deepen for me. Okay, so let's look at this. Oh, okay. Well, do we think this is going to go to 145? Because if it's going to go to 145, there we go. What? I didn't even do anything to you. You're such a silly cat. She's just sitting on my lap, acting like I'm being mean. You hear her? Do we think it'll dip below 138? Okay, now that I spam the chat, I will beg the mod not to fat finger me. You're okay. Meow. Okay, so let's go ahead and put in another bid for 136 to kind of get it in there. Because I would like to get it there. Maybe we won't. I'll probably end up getting it at like 137 again. For like $2. It's also 10:03. If the buy interest doesn't increase down around 136, 137, we'll probably drop lower because there may not be as many people bidding at that time. And then I want to get stuck with it. PLTR. Well, we've got some way to go. PLTR, PL. I don't think I've been watching this one long enough. NVA, though, is doing pretty nice. But we gotta pull Okla back up because we gotta bid out on that. You steepity dip it in to 138. Can I get a 136? Oh my goodness, cat. Just chill. I don't know where I want to put this. Oh, it's 20 bucks on it. Feels too close. Think about it once I'm in. Volume is still going up in Oklo. Is that what you've got on your platform? That it's up because I'm only seeing 13,000. Okay, now the volume's going up on mine. And we're not in. Hmm. Hmm. Um, at 10:03 we had a call out for Tesla, so it's still relevant. But watch it before you hop in. Okay, so it is dipping. Mm, that. 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, well, do I want to go in yet? Do I want to wait for that $2? Hmm. I mean, it looks like it's gonna go back up. Okay, let's let's go 1, since I'm concerned that is a tad high. Hmm. Well, wait a minute. I'll just hold off on it for a second. MSRP 52-week low, down 20%. Oh, okay, looking at the 5 minutes, it's up. So, no, the 5 minutes is down. Okay. I really want to see what these next couple minutes bring. CGC falling. Alright, so it's about dipped to 136. Where's the volume at? Volume's high. Let's go up a teeny bit. Up to there for now. Didn't think about it. Okay. 39. Oh no. Crap, we missed it. Wasn't looking at it. Okay, we'll go there. Okay, we're in. Hopefully we didn't just get a couple dollars of FOMO there. Volume's opening up, at least on my end. So we're back in this trade. We got 5 positions, which is small, but these are 137 a share, so still 600 bucks. Ah, see, if we would have waited, we could have got it at 136.85, which is what we had it set to. So now, you just be patient, wait for the rest of this dip, and then sell when it goes up. Let's go to the 2 minutes. Okay. And we bought it like less than $1 than lowest price. So that wasn't bad. Alright, so we're up now. Stop it. You just said up. What are you doing? You lied to me. Don't you dare go to 133. Don't you dare do it. Don't you dare do it.
Volume's opening up on Oklo again. Oh, this brat. It's gonna do it, isn't it? Told her not to. So now the decision is, do I hop out now that I have made no profit on it, or do I wait? And like usual, I'm gonna wait because I haven't lost the max amount, and it could still go back up. Yeah, it's a little. Yeah, let's go to the 1 day. Get better data. Okay, maybe she's going back up for us. That would be cool. That would make us happy. Go green. Go green. Go green. My fingers aren't bad. The precision strikes of justice. $35.99. Can I get a 136? Yeah. Can I get a 137? 137. Where are you? 136? Okay. No. Yes. No. No. Are we gonna go green again? Yes, we are. Keep doing that. That makes me happy. You know, I've been watching Oklo. I haven't even been paying any attention to my watch list. Which, of course, while I'm streaming, if you guys see a stock that's interesting, feel free to check it out off my list. I don't mind. If I was that worried about it, I wouldn't show it. But if you guys would rather, I also have crypto. I can pull that up if you'd like to see that. Hmm. Why doesn't it show it? Yeah, I can't see the numbers. Well, that's unfortunate. Okay, I guess I'll just pull my list back up. I can see the crypto. Sorry, guys. I wonder if I switched it to um uh shoot, I can't think of the word. It's on dark mode right now. If I switched it off of dark mode, um, I wonder if it would be easier for you guys to see some of the stuff. All right, so we're currently down a buck 25 in Oklo. Just waiting for that to pop off. Not much support, really 102. Something I do want to look at too. Gotta go back to Oklo though, but CGC, I wanna shoot. Uh, CCG. I said it wrong. That's another it's another stock. But CCG is the one we wanted to look at. So the support is 102. Oh, I don't know how much trading I've done today. I think I could probably hop in. So not much support below 102. It will reload when it starts to behave. I mean, I think that's a pretty nice dip on it. How high did it go? 109, 108. Rory, you're ridiculous. What do you want from me, cat? Just sit here. Yep, just sit right there and be comfy. Sorry guys, my cat was climbing up the back of my chair like a crazy. Okay, so it's like 102, 5 days. Let's check that out. 84 though. I would much rather get it at 84. Maybe I should set an alert. It hits 95. Yeah, let's put an alert there. Below 96 and above 80, 66. That'll work for me. Okay, so this is yeah, this is one that I'd like to do some trading in later. But let's go back to Oklo. Okay, hello. Would you guys like to see my stock kitty? Now that she's decided to be a pain in my butt. Let's see if you can see her. When I switch the screen over. You guys see her? Wow, that's real fuzzy. Why is my camera not focusing at all? There. It's weird. Okay, now you can't see her because she's sitting down. There's Rory. This is the annoying cat that's been bothering me. Say hi, Rory. Say hi. She's a brat. She's this itty bitty little thing. Ah, cool, we're up $3 again. But she's this itty bitty little thing. And I don't know if she cares about stocks at all. But her and my other cat, Princitopher, do like to sit with me while I trade stocks. So they're my stock kitties. Brat. He's like, no, don't touch me. That does not mean that you can go sit on all my other stuff. Oh, hush. So spoiled. You hear her yelling at me? My things. Okay, so it's 175. That's what we're up right now. Just waiting for it to keep moving. Go back to where we bought it and then make more gains on it. Because we were already up from a trader earlier. Okay, pardon me. Fingers of justice. All right, so now we're up 35 cents. Something I guess we could have also done was buy at 134, but I did not know for sure if it was going to continue to dip on me and I was going to have to bail out of this trade or what was going to happen. So I didn't. But if I had done that, my shares would of course be cheaper. So there's that to think about. My average, I'm going to reword that. My average shares would be cheaper. But it would also have more of them, and I would stand to lose more if it dipped. Okay, here we go.
Here we go. All right. You can do it. You know you want to. You know you want to take off. Just do it. Right up there. I'm gonna get sound effects, guys. So I'm not just making my own. No, that is not what we wanted. That is not what we wanted at all. What do you look like on the rest of this chart? Well, that is up. That is, so 2 minutes is up, 5 minutes is down. Eh, 1 minute is slightly down, but 2 minutes. Come on, 2 minutes. Well, I mean, this is still trending up. I think it's fine. It just hasn't moved up enough to move that line up. Up every morning at this time. I'm still tired. So earlier, we had only bought 2 shares because it was our first trade with Oklo. This is technically our second trade with Oklo, so this time we bought 5 shares instead, um, just to kind of see how it went today. And we are up, fluctuating $4 from our trade earlier. And we will hopefully be able to sell again at 140 or higher. But this time we'll make more money off of the trade because we have more shares. Okay, guys, this might be it. So just, yeah, we'll keep it up like this. It's fine. We'll just scooch it. Okay. So now we're up $6. Let's give it a second. Move a little bit up. And then we're gonna adjust our stop loss. Here we go. Okay, pulling our stop loss up to, what's it right here, I think. It's still green, giving us a teeny bit of wiggle room. I want to make green on this trade. Okay, go up. 94. Okay. Don't dip on me. Just keep going. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. $196. 38. Okay. Okay. Just gonna stop me out. Go, baby, go. You can do it. 38. Come on. 139. 139. You can do it. No, you can't. Okay, we're gonna pull 75. When's the last? I didn't see a. Okay, we're gonna put it at 74 so I can let off of this for just a second. Don't dip on me. You could totally hit 150 if you wanted to. Totally. I have faith in you. It's the volume, it's drying up a little bit. Crap. Okay, volume's drying up. Uh, Tight stop loss. Right there. Maximize profits. Volume's getting back. Yeah. Okay. Still pumped. 25. Do I want to do this? 41, 41. Yes, I do. I do want to do this. And it's moving up. Yeah. Just scooch in it a little bit at a time, guys. And I'm stopped out. Okay. So we made $10 on that. We got stop loss out because we wrote it tight, but that's fine. But anyway, so yeah, we got stop loss. We made $10 on that, I believe. I don't remember if that was with the trade from earlier or not. But anyway, so I bought 5 shares. I came in at 137 something because I moved it up, and I sold at 138. I didn't write it down. I'll have to pull it up in my stuff. But it takes a minute for it to show. Okay, anyway, so we made green on that. This might continue to go up, might still be good. It's 10:53. Okie dokie, guys. I've done a good bit of trading today, so I think that is me for stream. And let me pull my other screen up so you guys can see me. But yeah, so I've done a fair bit of trading with my funds today. Made some money. I might just still do some trading later. But I'm gonna be honest, it's lunchtime and I am hungry. So I will catch y'all later. Y'all have a good one. Bye.